Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn off the energy saver on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. To turn off the energy saver on your laptop, first you're gonna have to right-click the battery icon on your status bar, then go to Power and Sleep settings. Then here, scroll down to Energy Saver option, expand this menu, and to disable it manually, just switch this toggle to the left. If you want to disable your energy saver forever, expand this list and select Never. This way, the energy saver will not turn on under any circumstances. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.